The conflict in eastern DRC is neither new nor is it too difficult to understand. Rwanda's security concerns stem from the continued presence of the FDLR. Its genocide ideology has been spread to other armed groups, which also target Congolese, Tutsi, and other communities. A signed peace agreement should bind all parties equally. Rwanda faces an impossible choice to either tolerate the continued presence of the FDLR and its growing network of militias and allow them to grow closer to our border, or to defend ourselves and be condemned for it. Rwanda is ready to lift its defensive measures in tandem with the DRC fulfilling its obligations under the Washington Accords.